you have a lace. We are going to learn how to lace the shoe as well as tie a knot to your shoelace. So we will begin. You see these two ends, both the ends. You are going to insert both the ends to the first hole and gently pull it. Be careful while pulling the lace. After all, this is a paper and not actual shoe. See. Now this side will come from here. Let's cross. Let's cross from beneath. Similarly, the left hand side lace will pass through the right hand side second hole. Then from the top, crisscross the laces again. See that our laces are straight and not twisted around. It should be straight. Now again crisscross from the other side. The last hole that is punched, the laces should come out, because when we wear the shoe, we tie the lace on the top. We are going to learn to tie a knot to our shoe. I'll show you 3 simple ways to tie your shoe. First, method 1, tie a knot. This is the first knot that we tied. Now tie a second knot. The second knot will be slightly loose. See, it should be so much loose. Okay. Now pass both the lace ends through the second knot. So I will pass. See, this is the second knot. One end I will pass from here like this. The second end I will pass from here like this, and pull it. There, I have finished tying my lace. This is method 1. Method 2, tie a knot. Then make a loop on one side of the lace. Circle the lace around the loop. See, this is the loop. We are keeping it here, and this lace we are circling it from inside and pull. This is the second method to tie your shoe. Now the third method to tie your shoe. This is also called as bunny ears. Bunny is the bunny rabbit. So you will make 2 loops like this, 1 and 2. These are like the bunny rabbit ears. Make 2 loops, crisscross the loop like this, I'll show you one more time. Crisscross the loop like this. Tuck one loop under or pass it through the hole from beneath and pull. This is the third method or the bunny ears way to tie your shoe.